Hey, g'day YouTube. What's going on? Merry Christmas to everybody. 2 days to Christmas, 23rd today. So hope you're doing well. Hope you have a good Christmas. I hope you got some good people to share it with. And, hey, I haven't made a vid for a while, and this time it was not my fault. I was, apparently the word is, hijacked. My YouTube channel, someone managed to get in. I still don't know how it happens. I wish I did, but apparently they got into my channel and they kicked me out as the owner. It was over 5 weeks ago. It happened on a Friday morning. I had the day off. I was just laying in bed and I got an email to say I was no longer the owner, which was surprising. And yeah, it's taken me this long to get the channel back. And you know, YouTube are actually pretty good this time. They actually kept in contact with me, which is way better than last time I lost access to my channel. Yeah, I got a response pretty much straight away. They were still slow, it still took them 5 weeks to fix it, but they kept in pretty good contact. They were sending me emails quite regularly every few days. So yeah, all in all, although it was frustrating, yeah, YouTube were much better this time than last. It was sort of weird because while I lost access to the channel, nothing actually happened to the channel. They didn't delete any videos, they didn't upload any new videos, they didn't change any of the details there. So I'm not sure what the whole go was behind the hijacking of the channel. It just seemed, it was weird, but yeah, and I'm not sure why they would pick on my little channel with a couple of thousand subscribers. It does seem odd. So yeah, not my fault this time, and most of the time when I don't post vids, it is my fault through either being busy or just being slack. YouTube's sort of the thing. If life gets a bit hectic, it's the first thing that I sort of put on the back burner, and that's just the way it is. In the whole scheme of things, I guess it's not high on my importance list at this stage in my life. Even though, you know, I enjoy having a channel, I enjoy chatting with you guys and stuff. Yeah, like I say, if something's got to give way in my life, it just turns out it's the YouTube channel most of the time. So that you know, has happened in the past and may happen again in the future. It's weird because I really do sort of pride myself on being reliable, on being consistent, being what's the word? Sort of methodical when I do things. But yeah, YouTube, which is I guess the public me that everyone can see, I'm sort of none of those things, which I guess can create a little bit of a bad impression of me. But I don't know. It is what it is. You know, maybe I'm not as reliable and consistent as I think I am. But generally, like at work in my little, you know, day job that I've got, you know, I'm always there early. I'm always there sort of half hour before my shift starts, and you know, just try to be, you know, ultra reliable at work. But yeah, don't know, with YouTube it just doesn't seem to happen that way. One other thing has happened recently that is making it harder for me to or will in the future make it harder for me to post vids is I've got this little part-time job which I've had for the last 18 months, just, you know, keeping me busy and giving me something to do, a bit of money through the door as well, and it never goes astray. But it's turned into a full-time job in the last few weeks. They've asked me if I want to sort of do some extra duties, or a small promotion, I guess, which, you know, sort of reluctantly I accepted because I really don't want to work full-time. I don't need to work full-time, and it really didn't sort of suit my lifestyle. But having said that, I really enjoy working at this job. I feel a bit of a sense of responsibility that you know, probably, you know, I should step up and take a bit more responsibility. So yeah, I did accept, and yeah, so that's actually going to rob a bit of my free time, and time I may spend making videos, and time I may spend looking at the market. I'll now spend out my day job, which it is what it is. I don't know how long that's going to last. To be honest, we'll just, I don't know. I got this job 18 months ago when sort of I got out of my last business, and I was pretty much bored. I was spending too much time sitting around thinking and worrying, and I found actually that lifestyle for me didn't suit me at all. So I took on this job to keep myself a bit busy, and yeah, it has sort of taken over a little bit. I enjoy it. I do really enjoy it. I enjoy going, and that camaraderie that you get when you got a workplace like that, which I haven't really had in my last business. I never really had that. It was more of a solo sort of venture. So I do enjoy having workmates, and yeah. So at the moment, that's where my life is. I'm sort of heading down that path. I mean, there's plenty of opportunity in the company that I'm out to progress if that's what I choose, and if I get the opportunities to, those opportunities are there. But yeah, I really haven't decided. I just taking it day by day at the moment, and just see what happens there. So yeah, that's my life at the moment. It's Thursday. Well, no, it's not Thursday. It's Monday today. I will make my end of week vid on Friday this week. I don't think a lot's going to happen from last week to this, because obviously the market will be closed Wednesday, Thursday, and I think it's open Friday, maybe a half day. So yeah, but anyway, I'll make a vid on Friday and try and get back into the swing of doing at least the weekly vids. Also, I did like a balance sheet breakdown a few months ago on Speedcast. That was sort of good. I enjoyed doing it, and I got some good feedback on that. So I'm going to endeavour, not promise, but endeavour to make a few more of those videos. I'm not sure about my end of month videos now, where I talk about stocks and try and predict a few stocks for the future. I'm just not feeling confident enough that I'm putting enough effort in to make those videos valuable. It could be a bit too much guesswork, more than I like. So I'll think about that one. But anyway, that's it for now. I just thought I'd make a quick vid just to let you know what's been going on, where I'm at. Everything's good. Life's good. It's been a pretty good year overall for me. I hope it has been for you as well. As I said, Merry Christmas. I'll talk to you guys on Friday.